Most creators spend months obsessing over their lighting, their niche, and their engagement rate, but they spend 0 minutes thinking about the one thing that can actually take it all away, the legal side. You're out here trying to hit your first 10K month, but if your business isn't legal, then that money isn't actually yours, it's a liability. I'm Brianna. I'm a licensed Florida attorney with a specific concentration in business law. I spend my 9 to 5 dealing with the heavy-hitting legal side of commerce, but I'm here because I see creators getting stuck in legal limbo every day. Today, I'm giving you the 3-step legal checklist that every creator needs to protect their peace and their paycheck. And stick around to the end because I'm going to be giving you the #1 mistake I see new business owners make when naming their business that can cost them thousands in rebranding fees. Step 1, you need to stop being just Brianna and start being a business. In legal terms, we call this limiting your liability. If you're operating as a sole proprietor, which is what you are by default, then your personal car, your house, your savings is all on the hook if someone sues your business. An LLC, a limited liability company, creates a corporate veil. It's like a digital shield between your personal life and your business drama. Even with an LLC, if you mix the money, the court can just pierce that corporate veil and come after your personal assets anyway. Biggest mistake? Mixing your Starbucks runs with your brand deal payouts. So open that business bank account tomorrow, no excuses. Step 2 is the one that keeps me up at night, the lack of contracts. I get it, you're collaborating with a friend, the brand seems really chill. But in the business world, chill is just a code word for unprotected. You need a contract for 3 things immediately. Brand deals. Who owns the footage? How long can they use your face? Contractors. If you hire an editor, do you own the final edit? Hint, not unless your contract says so. Clients. If you're a coach or a consultant, do you handle refunds? You don't need to spend $5,000 on a law firm custom contract yet, but you do need a professional template that covers your assets. I actually got tired of seeing creators get ripped off, and I built a vault just for that reason. More on that later. Step 3 is intellectual property. This is the wealth of your business. Your logos, your course names, your catchphrases are assets. A lot of people think I bought the domain name, so I own the brand. Wrong. A domain name is a digital lease, while a trademark is a government-backed deed. Before you spend $500 on a fancy logo or $1,000 on merch, you need to make sure that you're not infringing on someone else's trademark. Do what's called a knockout search. Check the USPTO's database. If someone else is already using that name in a similar space, pivot now before you get a cease and desist in 12 months. Look, I know this feels like a lot. You started this to create, not to be a paralegal. That's why I'm building up this channel, to make the boring stuff the easy stuff. If you're ready to get your foundation right today without the $400 an hour lawyer fees, I've put together everything I know into my legal launch and protection guide. It's a step-by-step guide to starting legally from scratch. And if you just need the paperwork done, I have contract templates designed specifically for creators like you. Check the links in the description to grab those. Now that #1 mistake that I mentioned, it's naming your business something descriptive. If you name your brand something like the video editing company, you likely can't trademark that because it's too generic. You want names that are arbitrary or suggestive. Think Apple for computers or Netflix for streaming. Apple for computers is really arbitrary. Apple and computers don't go together at all. While Netflix is suggestive. Netflix. Flicks on the internet. Be unique, be protected, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to keep your business out of legal limbo. I'll see you guys in the next video.